Hello everyone and welcome to Press On Nails by V. I am Vanessa and today I'm going to walk you through how to remove your press on nails when you're using nail glue. The first step is you're going to fill a bowl with hot soapy water and oil. In this video I'm using Dawn dish soap and jojoba oil. You can use any kind of oil, so this could be cooking oil, vegetable oil. You can use hand soaps. You just want to make sure that it's hot soapy water with some oil and that the water is pretty hot, so as hot as you can tolerate. Next, you're going to soak your nails for at least 15 minutes. So you'll see in the video that I'm moving the soap around in the oil. In the water, I'm also moving the solution around my cuticle areas to get that in there. So the oil and the soap are going to help break down the nail glue. When removing press-ons, it's helpful to have either a show on or music just to make the experience a little enjoyable because it is a bit of a time that you're waiting. So throw on a good show, put on some music, and relax and take this time to do some self-care. After the 15 minutes, you're going to use a cuticle stick to break the seal around the nail. You're going to gently wiggle off the nails with the wooden stick that's provided. So you want to wiggle it around the base. You don't want to pry or pull off the nail. This is going to cause damage to your natural nail beds. So just gently wiggle the stick underneath the base of the press-on. If the press-ons are not loose, you want to soak for another 10 minutes and make sure that the water is warm, so you might need to reheat it. If you can, you want to take that cuticle stick around the base and see if you can make a little bit of a gap just so that the oil and water can get in there and soak a little bit longer. If you can't, just let your nails soak for another 10 minutes. The press-on nails are reusable, so if there is any leftover nail glue under the press-on, you're just going to want to buff that off. When all your press-ons are off, you want to take the buffer and buff any nail glue that's left on your natural nails. Next, you're going to wash and dry your hands fully. Using the cuticle stick, you're going to push back your cuticles and clean them up a little bit. After that, you're going to take some cuticle oil or jojoba oil and massage that into your cuticle area as well as your nail beds. This is going to rehydrate your nails. If you want a faster way of removing your press-on nails with glue, there are nail glue remover products that you can use that are going to make this process a lot faster. We're not having to soak your hands in water. So if this is something that you're interested in and you wear press-ons often, give me a shout and I can send you some links. That is pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, be gentle when removing your press-on nails to avoid any damage to your natural nails. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.